I think that everything should be taken moderately. I mean, you need fast food, and it tastes nice. That's not joke. It tastes nice. It's good. I like fast food, and I eat fast food. But this doesn't mean that it wipes out my culture. I mean, I go home and I eat my mother's cooking, and it's not fast. It's good. It's tasty, and it's the Lebanese culture food. So it should be always taken. Everything should be taken moderately. You need fast food, you like it, and you need to eat with your family, and you like it. So if you have your 5 minutes break, you grab a sandwich, you grab a burger, and that's it. But once you're home, you go and you dine with your family. When you go out with your friends, you go to restaurants and you eat slow food. You don't eat fast food in restaurants when you go out to fancy restaurants. So I think everything should be taken into very moderately. And it's not about wiping out culture. It's that the lifestyle has changed because of the whole world has changed. Whatever, the culture, you can call it culture, but I don't call it culture. I think the lifestyle has changed, and you have to cope with it without really wiping out your culture. This is a personal matter. If you cannot keep your culture to yourself, then it's your problem. You should take it very moderately, because this is not imposing. Nobody is imposing fast food on anybody. It's a choice that you make, and you can make it moderately and keep your culture to yourself.